These little words like in, on, at, by, and with can change the entire meaning of a sentence. But here's the good news: mastering prepositions doesn't have to be hard. In today's video, I'll teach you the basics of prepositions with easy examples to help you write and speak English confidently. So keep watching this video. Hello language lovers, welcome back to my channel. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's start with the meaning of prepositions. What are prepositions? Prepositions are words that show relationship between a noun or pronoun or other parts of a sentence. They often indicate direction, time, location, or the way something happens. For example, the book is on the table. She arrived at 5 p.m. He walked to the park. Now let's explain the most common types of prepositions. Number one, prepositions of place, that's location. These prepositions tell us where something is. Examples include in, on, at. In used when something is inside a space. For example, the keys are in the bag. On used when something is on a surface. Example, the phone is on the table. And at used to point to a specific location. For example, she's at the bus stop. Quick tip, think of in as inside, on as touching a surface, and at as pointing to a place. I hope that helps. Now we also have prepositions of time. Prepositions can also tell us about time. The common examples are in, on, and at. In used for longer periods like months, years, centuries. Example, she was born in July. And then we also have on used for specific days and dates. Example, we'll meet on Monday. And then we have at used at specific times or precise moments. For example, meeting starts at 3 p.m. Quick reminder, use in for broader time period, on for days, and at exact time. Don't forget that. And then we have prepositions of direction. Prepositions of direction, that's movement. These prepositions indicate movement from one place to another, like to, into, onto. Example, to indicates movement towards a specific direction. Into indicates movement from outside to inside, while onto indicates movement towards a surface. For example, he jumped onto the bed. Then finally, we have prepositions of manner or means. These prepositions describe how something happens, like by, with, or about. By refers to the agent or method. Example, the book was written by a famous author. With refers to an instrument or tool. For example, he cut the paper with scissors. About refers to a subject or topic. For example, we talked about the project. Quick practice. Can you create your own sentences using these prepositions and share them in the comment section? Before I call it a wrap, let's look at some common mistakes with prepositions. So let's clear up some confusion. Do not say, I'm good in English. Rather, I'm good at English. He married with her. Rather, he married her. Okay? And that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something. Prepositions may seem small, but they play a big role in English. I'm certain that with regular practice, you'll get the hang of it in no time. So keep practicing, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, Subscribe if you're yet to do so, and turn on notification button so you don't miss a lesson, because every lesson is invaluable. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Bye.